Okay, so you're welcome to today's episode of Web Development Fundamentals. You're going to see the playlist on my YouTube channel. You can check there and look at the series of HTML code you can learn. And please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, to my channel. Thanks. So today I'm going to be telling you where you can edit or create HTML files. There are lots of places like a text editor can be used to create HTML file. There are a list of some down here. So let me be reading the list out. Notepad is always on laptop. It comes with each and every laptop. Like once you buy a laptop, you have a Notepad. And, well, it's used for professionals because while using it, someone that just started coding can't use it. But I recommend it for professionals because because when you make a mistake on it, like for those that are beginners, when you make a mistake on Notepad, it won't correct you. It will just display error code on the browser. So I don't recommend it for beginners, but for professionals. So Notepad plus plus, text edit, Sublime text editor. These are the like these four that are at the beginning. They are for professionals. I recommend it for professionals. So now we're going to the next one. So now we are going to the Vim. I haven't actually used Vim, but they are part of the list. We have Vim, we have Atom, Visual Studio Code. Visual Studio is one of the most popular ones. It's used for editing HTML. We have brackets, Coda. Well, some are used for some are Android app like Decoder, Quick Edit, um, Droid Edit, and HTML editor, and Decoder. These are the ones that are used on the Android phone, and I recommend it for those that are beginners so that you can learn it and like well sure you can't learn it because it's not the platform for learning. It's just for you to write HTML code. But this app I'm using, they have a microcode editor with syntax highlighting, and you can save and open HTML file. This app I'm using, they can save it with they can save HTML files, and it's also an app for doing this like for editing. It has a built-in app, built-in editor for HTML. Well, those are the most commonly used text editor for creating HTML file. You can download any application you want. It's your choice. The one that suits best you can take it. So before you can save and let's now go to the basics of HTML files. What you need to save HTML files, like when you're creating an HTML file, you save it with .html, like the file extension. For example, like maybe the name of your website is maybe you want to test something, maybe you want to create a background, then you don't save it as anything, you don't save it as background only, because by the time you save it and you try to open it on the browser, it won't open. It will not even bring out options for browser. So you have to save it with .html before you can be able to see what you've done on the browser. So if you don't save your files with HTML, you won't be able to run it on browser. I already said that before. You won't be able to run it on browser because it isn't saved as an HTML file. So for example, this is a hello world. For example, this is a paragraph. P means paragraph. So I'm going to open the the built-in built-in the built-in HTML editor. So now, so this is the built-in HTML editor. You can see these are the first thing you need to know as when you want to create a website. Like for example, this is you have to create the doc type HTML, the doc type HTML tag. For example, let me give you an example. HTML is just like a sandwich. HTML is just like a sandwich. Like for example, this is the bread. This is the what you want to put inside the bread and close it with another bread. So HTML is opening of tags and closing of tags. For example, the first tag. The first tag is doc type HTML. This is a tag that is used to like to explain more about what doc type. What doc type does is just like telling the browser that it's an HTML file. So the next tag is the HTML itself. It's also trying to explain to it what this thing means. So now we're going to go. I'm going to keep explaining, but let me tell you more about HTML. So now we go to the HTML element. In the first lesson, we studied about tags. I told you about the tags that tag HTML is just like a sandwich. So now I'm trying to tell you what the HTML element. In the first lesson, we studied about that and things like start tag, opening tag, and the end tag, and closing the tag. I already told you you first open your tag and then in the middle you write your code, then you close the tag. So an HTML element is usually composed of a start tag, element, and an end tag. So this is an element component. So let me show you. This is it. Look at this is a tag. Each and every these are tags. These are tags. These are tags. It's all of these are tags. So these are tags. This, this. The they are just like brackets, but they are not brackets. Those are the tags. Those are the main tags used. Like this P means paragraph. That means like when you want to set a paragraph in an HTML document, you have to use the P tag. So that is what you're gonna use before you can be able to create a paragraph. Like if you write a text like on its own without the paragraph tag. For example, let me show you. If I remove this tag of the P, like the paragraph, you see what I'm saying? It will join all the words together. Look at the output. This is an element content. But if I put it without, let me create another paragraph. You see what I'm saying? So I already created another one. Can you see the P tag? As in, I wrote it exactly the way they wrote it. So if I show you in the comment in the output now, you see what I'm saying? It will give space. Okay, thanks for watching. See you in the next video. I hope you enjoyed the video. Do what to comment and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like and share. Thank you.